for today's recipe, I'm going to be making vegan cookie dough truffles. So what I'm going to be using is the Happy Way Vanilla Vegan Protein Powder. I've got some maca powder just to give it more of a vanilla taste, however that's optional, you can add or omit that. I'm using almond meal, some melted coconut oil, I've got some cashew butter, almond butter or peanut butter will also work well. Some maple syrup or rice malt syrup will also work well. And I've also got some melted chocolate to coat the truffles in. So I'm simply going to be adding everything except for the melted chocolate and chocolate chips into the food processor and blitzing that all together until it forms a nice doughy consistency. However, if you don't have a food processor, you can also simply add all the ingredients into a bowl and hand mix it together. So once I've formed that nice doughy consistency, I'm just going to mix in the chocolate chips until they're nice and combined, and then I'm going to roll the mixture into some balls about the size of a golf ball. And once I've rolled the balls, I'm simply going to be coating them in the melted chocolate and setting them in the fridge for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then they'll be ready to eat.